Hey guys, today we are going to do rice casserole. So we're going to use these vegetables, carrots, peppers, kale, mushrooms, onions, and some olive oil. Just use as much as you want. And we're doing brown rice. That's 2 cups of brown rice and 4 cups of water for 40 minutes. So here we go. Okay, so I did add some spices. I added about 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, a tablespoon of Italian seasonings, 4 shakes of cayenne pepper, and I will add salt and pepper. And just do that to taste. Alrighty. Hi, so we are going to put tofu in our rice casserole. So to fry tofu, you need to lay it on paper towels to soak the water out first. And this is just something you can get at the produce store. It's white tofu. Alright, so our vegetables are done, and now we're about to fry the tofu. And we drained it, put it on some paper towels, so we got some water out of it. So I put a generous amount of oil, olive oil, and we are going to fry this tofu hot. So I have it on 8. My range goes like 6, 8 high, so that's where I'm at. So I've got tofu frying, and I have cumin on top, as much as you want, and then I'm going to put brags on the top after it's fried a little bit. Alright, so we got the fried tofu, and I put brags on top. Doing good. Hey guys, here is the sauce, and what I do there is I did a 1.5 cups of cashew butter, a cup of water, cumin to taste. I did 3 teaspoons of honey and 3 or 4 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, salt to taste. If you want to put a little cayenne pepper in there, that's good too. So there's the tofu, and I put salt on top of it right after it came out, and I put it on some paper towels to dry out excess oil. And you're going to mix that with your veggies. Yeah. So here it is in the pan. I oiled the pan, and then I just put the mixture in, and I will bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes on 350. Super easy, except your kitchen may look like this. But it will taste delicious.